Hey Noire Babes, Kenra here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use drugstore products on my hair. I think it's very important that we show how to take care of your hair, how to grow it, how to make it healthy, but at the same time, with all kinds of products. We love the Olaplexes, we love the we love all of those hair care systems, but my thing is if you can keep your hair up while you're at home, you can do fewer salon trips. But I also think it's just as important that you make sure that you take care of your hair at home and take care of it well. But sometimes you got to do it on a budget. So let's get started. So first I'm going to part my hair in threes. So guys, remember in the last video I told you guys that I needed some tender loving care on my edges. I think that these are going to really work well for me. My sister says that they've been working really good for her too, so I'm sure that they'll work good for me as well. They say that they work typically 4 to 6 weeks within use of the product, and so I just started using them this week, and I will let you guys know how this goes. So now I'm just massaging the oil into my edges. Now I am ready to flat iron my hair, and I'm going to part it in threes again. Well, actually I'm going to part it in 4 parts, because now that it's been stretched with the blow dryer, I can now fit it into 4 parts. So because I'm able to go into the roots of my hair with this really small flat iron, it's a lot easier to have that body that I was telling you guys about the other day that I didn't really have the other day, because like I said, I really didn't want to put like a lot of heat in my hair. So I just barely like did the little like deep going in there or whatever. But yeah, so it really matters. The size of your flat irons, they matter on each part or each section of your hair, especially with the bottom, because you want to really be able to get that movement, want to be able to create that body at the end. You need to really get in there with a good flat iron. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, I love my hair. Ew. The beautiful thing about being able to do your hair at home, especially like being that me and Kim are entrepreneurs and I'm a gospel artist, so like being able to do your hair at home or like being able to tend to it yourself, that's so important, because a lot of times you're not able to schedule a hairstylist. There are so many moving parts, and we've got a couple of things that we'll be doing this year where I know we're not going to be able to schedule an appointment with our stylist, so we're going to have to get our hair cut, because I'm keeping my bob and I know Kim is too. Either way, whatever style we do, we have to do those things prior. And yeah, this is the same thing with makeup and all that. Now let me tell you what I'm not gonna do. I ain't gonna never skip out on makeup. I hate doing my own makeup, so I'm gonna always get a makeup artist to come and do my makeup. Now Kim, she's really like gotten down pat the art of, I guess, like figuring it out for her, but me, I ain't doing it. So but yeah, so it's really important though to be able to know how to do these things yourself, because a lot of times you're not going to be around makeup artists and hairstylists. Okay guys, so I just finished flat ironing my hair. What I'm gonna do is, if you saw the last video that I did, you'll see that I do like this little bump type thing or whatever, what I call the Tiffany Amber Thiessen bump. I'm just gonna bump my hair under and yeah, give it the style that I like. Okay guys, so I am done with the bumping, y'all, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, done with that part of my hair. And so I'm gonna put some oil in it and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just used my Kenra Hairspray and my pure honey oil from Creme of Nature, and I got my flyaways to lay down. And there you have it. These are the finished results. I love my bob, y'all. I love how it has the movement and the body, the volume, all of that. I ain't even got to really turn too much, and you know, it still moves. When I go running errands, I'm just gonna be like, hi, how are you? Oh, could you please hand me that over there? For the list of products used, check the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment. We love you guys so much. Peace.